Welcome to The Direct Line, the official podcast of OADSP, with host David Rustio. If you have questions or would like to be a guest, please reach out to podcast@oadsp.org.
I'm David Rustio, and today I'm talking with Donovan Nolan. Welcome to the show, Donovan.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
How are you today, Donovan?
Doing fine.
Just fine?
Yes.
What have you been doing so far today?
Well, I've been going to the park for our job site.
Okay, so tell us about that.
Well, I clean the carousel like the horses, and I clean the poles. And then I go over to the little community, which is like the airplane ride, the kid ride called is the airport. And the second one is the car dealership ride, which is used to be a boat dealership ride.
Okay.
And then I clean the rocket, known as the space station. And then I go over to the mini wheel, and then the big Ferris wheel, known as the family Ferris wheel.
That sounds like a lot of work you get done.
Yes, and then we clean the picnic area.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now, people leave that in a mess?
Yeah, people leave a mess in there, but we clean the tables, and then we clean the railing in there.
How nice.
Yes.
I hear you like to work.
Yes, I do like to work.
Why do you like to work so hard?
Because I like making money, and I like saving it.
So you don't go and spend it all on a girl?
No.
It's all just going in your bank?
No, I'm just keeping it in my red box.
Oh, you're keeping it in your red box. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, how nice. So are you saving up for something, or you just want to have it available if you decide to?
I'm just keeping all my money.
Okay. Now, I hear there's a couple of things that you're into. Bowling is one.
Uh-huh.
Tell us about why you like to bowl.
Well, I've been starting bowling for Special Olympics when I was 13 years old.
Okay. And then you just enjoy it so much, you keep going?
Yeah.
Do you only do it with Special Olympics, or do you do it with family, friends?
I do it for Special Olympics, and I do it for friends and families.
Okay. What's your highest score? Do you know?
A 254 before.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Mm-hmm.
I barely ever make 100.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if I make 100, that's on the first game, and then I'm like at 50 or 60 the second and third game.
Right.
Why do you think you're so good at bowling?
And I got a gold medal in Special Olympics.
Really? In bowling?
Yes.
Gold medal. That means your team won.
Yes.
Or you won. Was it a team, or was that personal?
Personal.
Wow. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Now, you're also a golfer.
Yes.
Why on earth? I don't understand golf. So tell me why you like it so much.
Well, I started golfing for Special Olympics down in North Carolina when I was like 12 years old.
Okay. And you just really like it.
Yes.
Now, why did you move from North Carolina here?
Well, I went to school in North Carolina for like autism classes down there.
Okay.
And then I moved here to Ohio for like better places, like for workshops.
Okay. So it's easier to make money here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ohio's good for that.
Yeah.
We got lots of jobs. Now, you do travel quite a bit.
Yes.
And Florida's one of those places.
Yes.
What do you like to do when you're in Florida?
Well, I stayed in Star Island Resort, and I like to hang out by the pool. Then we go to like some of the theme parks in Florida, which is like, I went to one, Disney World. I went to one, and then I went to two, Universal Studios. I went to Epcot Center, and I went to SeaWorld.
Which one was your favorite?
Disney World.
So the Disneyland.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, well, it is Disneyland.
Yeah, and then when I was like a little boy, I went down to Florida. So I checked the school down there because they didn't have the autism classes down there.
Oh, okay.
And then we went to we went to South Carolina, and we stayed in like an apartment of Fort Mill, South Carolina.
Okay.
And then we looked at some houses down there for me to go to school down in North Carolina. And then we went to Virginia.
Virginia.
Yes.
So which of those areas did you like best?
Well, I went to the Busch Gardens theme park in Virginia when I was like 4 years old.
Okay. Do you remember it?
I do remember it.
I bet you do.
Yes.
Now, what about Cedar Point?
I went there when I was like a little baby.
A baby, so you can't remember that then.
Yeah, I do remember going to Cedar Point when I was a baby.
Really?
Yes.
What was your favorite thing about it?
Well, I'll have one.
Because you were a baby.
Yeah, I was a baby back then.
Yeah, you didn't get to ride any big rides, so.
Yeah, I just looked at them.
Right. So I hear that you have a friend that you're trying to celebrate the birthday for.
It's for Sammy.
Sammy, tell us about Sammy.
Well, I started being friends with Sammy when I started AFS when Toys R Us goes out of business.
Okay. And what makes him so special, or her?
Well, he was we went to some of the job sites before COVID hit.
Okay.
And then she was my coworker in the hospital and in the drug mart, because she was my coworker in the hospital before COVID hit.
Okay. All right. And so you've just been good friends,
Yes.
right? Now, you've also traveled to San Francisco.
Yes, I did.
How old were you when you went to San Francisco?
Well, I was about like 26 when I
Right.
first started going there.
So you've been there more than once.
Yes.
What's your favorite thing about
And then we went there for Jack's graduation.
Okay. All right. And who's Jack?
My nephew.
Okay. When he graduated high school or college?
Yeah, he went to high school.
Oh, awesome. What's your favorite thing about San Francisco?
Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh, you got to go across it?
Yes.
Now, did you walk across it or did you drive across it?
Drive across it.
And it's a lot. It's a long bridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have any other favorite things about San Francisco?
Well, we went to like the redwood forest.
Okay. See those massive trees, right?
Yeah. And then we went to that art museum.
Which art museum? Do you remember?
The art museum in San Francisco.
Okay. So, and what kind of art do they have on display?
Lots of it.
All kinds. Is it modern art?
Yeah, modern art and
Okay.
vintage art.
So they run the spectrum.
Yes.
Okay. Now you also have spent some time in Portland.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us about Portland.
Well, Molly just got married.
Who's Molly?
My cousin.
Okay. And that's where the marriage was? That's where the wedding was?
Yes.
So did you get to meet her husband, her new husband?
Yep. Her name is John.
Her name is John. And is John a nice guy?
Yes.
He has to be nice to you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then my sister Lori and I shared the news, the bad news about from my dad, is my grandmother passed away.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Yes, because we went here to New Philly for my Grammy's funeral,
Okay.
and then my dad went up to Cleveland for my grandma's funeral.
Wow. So you had quite a bit going on.
Yep, I lost 2 of my grandmothers.
Oh, that's so sad. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Yeah, it is hard.
It's hard to lose anybody you love.
Yeah, it's hard to everybody I lost.
Yeah. So where do you think you want to be doing in 5 years?
In 5 years,
Yeah.
I don't know.
What about 1 year?
No, not 1 year.
You're more into what's happening right here and right now.
Yeah.
Well, I did want to say that I love your shirt.
Yes.
Who's all over your shirt?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. And I have not seen that design. Lots of color.
Yeah.
It's really cool. It's kind of abstract.
Yeah. And and guess what I started watching when I was like a toddler?
What's that?
The Weather Channel and the Wheel of Fortune.
The Wheel of Fortune is a lot of fun to watch.
Yeah, yeah. And my favorite game show host, Pat Sajak, he's retired
Yeah.
he's retired since 2024.
And who replaced him?
Ryan Seacrest.
Is he any good?
Well, I like Pat Sajak better.
Yeah, a lot of people say that.
Yeah, and I started back then I started watching the Weather Channel. I like is Jim Cantori.
And Jim is one of the hosts of the Weather Channel?
They got a lot of meteorologists at the Weather Channel.
Okay.
And then there's a lot, and then some of it sometimes leave the Weather Channel and they move into like different jobs, and they move in like different national networks and different local channels.
Okay. So they get their start there.
Yeah.
And then they take opportunities elsewhere.
Yes.
So what makes you so interested in the Weather Channel?
Well, I started watching it because and then I liked all sorts of those like national weather maps.
Okay.
And when I started watching like some local stations for weather, I saw like some local maps. And then my dad discontinued the Weather Channel down in North Carolina because all our channels are getting too expensive down there.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, cable is expensive.
Yeah, cable is very expensive.
It used to not be, but anymore.
Yeah, and do you know where I get my weather on when my dad discontinued the Weather Channel?
No, tell me.
Local channels down
Really?
in North Carolina.
Well, there you go.
Yes.
So how long could you watch Weather Channel? I mean, how long could you watch weather all day, or just an hour a day, or what do you like?
So I started watching the Weather Channel here in Ohio and then down in North Carolina. And since my dad discontinued it, I watched it at someone else's house.
So you're pretty resourceful.
Yes.
Pretty creative because you want to watch it.
And then I've watched it back when traveling.
Okay, so you're kind of a nerd, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations.
And I started having my Nintendo Wii when I was 13.
Really? Are you any good with it?
Yes.
What's your favorite games?
Wii series games with the Mii's on them.
Okay.
And I got on to check, and since the Weather Channel was been discontinued down in North Carolina, I've looked at the forecast channel before it shuts down.
Oh, okay.
And I look at the news channel, and then there's three more of these channels on the Wii. Check Me Out channel, Nintendo channel, and Everybody Votes channel, because all 5 of those channels are been shut down.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it when my favorite shows go off the air either. So.
No, I'm talking about the Nintendo Wii.
Oh yeah, I know. See, I don't have one of those, so I don't have any experience with one.
Yeah, and then my kids' shows I've watched was Blue's Clues because I've watched it when I was like a toddler.
Okay.
And then Mr. Steve left the show in 2002.
Okay.
And replaces with Mr. Donovan Patton, the new guy.
Yeah.
Name's known as Joe, Mr. Joe.
Mr. Joe, and you're known as Mr. Donovan Nolan.
Well, no, it's a real guy, Mr. Donovan Patton.
Okay, but I'm saying, you here, they call you Mr. Donovan.
Yes.
So you kind of match some of the people that you like on TV or on the game.
Yep, and we got a computer.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, are you good on a computer?
Yes.
What do you like to do?
Get onto the internet and then play computer games.
Okay. Do you have a favorite computer game?
I built like some amusement parks on Roller Coaster Tycoon.
Okay. Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Are they as good as Cedar Point's roller coasters? You don't remember because you were a toddler.
Yeah, I was a toddler.
Well, Donovan, thank you for spending some time with me.
You're welcome.
You are a wealth of knowledge, and I appreciate that.
I know.
You got it. You
Thanks.
got it going on.
Thanks.
You have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for listening to The Direct Line. If you or your organization would like to be guests on this podcast, please reach out to podcast@oadsp.org. As long as you support people with developmental disabilities, we would love to hear your story. There is no cost, and we come to you.